Hey, it's Todd Ault and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is structured debt. Structured debt is when a borrower or company borrows money from a specific lender with a unique structure in mind. Sometimes this structured debt has warrants or options for the lender to invest more, and depending on how it's structured, the borrower can raise more capital when the lender exercises his warrants. Now, this structured debt can be quite complicated and can lock the borrower into doing business with the lender. Structured debt is commonly used and specific to a company's needs and can be complicated, but is an important part of the capital markets. Today's word is structured debt. Hey, as a side note, if you're a company borrowing money from someone that's giving you structured debt, a lot of times they can lock you in and you kind of get into a vice grip where you can't get out of it for a long period of time. Pay attention to the details on structured debt. Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. New words and terms delivered every single day. Please subscribe, push the bell. If you found this information helpful or you think someone could benefit from this information, please share this video. Thanks for watching our channel. Always good things happening here.